Hello business owners. Are you interested in clothing business? Do you want to get your business product made in Bangladesh? Then we are here to provide you all kinds of service from Bangladesh. We can provide you any kinds of clothing like men's clothing, women's clothing, kids clothing, baby clothing for your e-commerce or your store. You can make your custom branded product from us. All kinds of products we can make for you with a minimum order of quantity and with a good price. So if you want to develop your business and want to make your brand viral, then you can contact with us. We will support you, and also door to door delivery possible all over in the world. So contact us to grow your business. See you in the next video. Follow for more.